Bruh, I'm crashing out here. I can't win a game.
Come on, we have to lock in for the next match.
Hey there, in this video we're going to be looking at the phrase to lock in. Very popular with teenagers and young adults, especially when playing video games, but it can be used in a variety of other situations as well. Now, teenagers use the phrase lock in when they need to describe the process of focusing or concentrating harder on an activity. It suggests they need to ignore everything else and just focus on this one thing. Let's look at some examples. The first one is in the context of video games.
Leo, watch out! We are losing this match. The other team is way ahead.
It's okay, I was just chilling.
We only have 2 minutes left.
Don't worry, I'm going to lock in now. We can still beat them.
So, video games is the most common context when you'll hear teenagers using the phrase lock in and when they want people to sort of try harder and do better to win the game. They'll say things like, okay, I need to lock in. Everyone has to lock in. Okay, I'm locking in now. So, if you have teenagers, you may hear them use these phrases. But it can be used in other situations. Here's one from the context of studying.
Mia, look at this video. It's hilarious.
I can't right now, Poppy. My history essay is due in 1 hour and I haven't finished the conclusion.
1 hour? You're in trouble.
I know. I need to turn off my phone, put on my music and lock in. If I focus, I can finish it.
You can see here that she's using the phrase to talk about her need to concentrate to be able to finish her essay. So it's a really useful phrase to describe that feeling here. Let's look at another example from sport, another place where this can be commonly used.
Listen up! The score is tied and there are 30 seconds on the clock. We have worked too hard to lose now.
He's right. We can beat them.
Exactly. Everyone needs to lock in right now. No mistakes, extreme focus. Let's go.
Okay, you can see the coach is urging them to concentrate and focus their energy for the game, and so uses the phrase, everyone needs to lock in right now. Very, very useful indeed. So, lock in is used commonly by teenagers when playing video games or maybe in sports or studying to express the need to concentrate, focus, or try harder. There are other phrases used by teenagers which have a similar or related meaning to lock in, and it'll be useful to just go through a few of these. Another phrase similar in meaning to lock in is dial in, and can be used in quite similar ways. For example, we could say, she's really dialed in on this project. Every detail is perfect. Another useful sort of slang phrase is to be cooking. This describes when someone is doing really well at something, normally for a short period. So as an example, again, in the context of video games, we could say, I've killed their whole squad almost by myself. I'm cooking at the moment. Another quite informal slang term used by teenagers is to go beast mode. This describes a sort of a sudden increase in energy and performance, normally for quite a short time. So for example, I went beast mode in the gym and finished my 1 hour workout in 30 minutes. So along with the phrase lock in, you can also use dial in, to be cooking, and to go beast mode. If you want a quick practice activity to check your understanding, you can go to the link or scan the QR code on the screen. Hope you found this useful. There'll be more sort of teenage slang terms coming soon. Bye-bye.